I remembered that we're here. This is the first camper into camp. Here they come, making it into camp. 8 miles, Susan. How you feeling?
I thought you said it was 7.
I can tell you the truth now that you're here. Tracy, good job. You made it. Bob, we are at Golden Lake. Well, we made it into camp, and just as we did, a huge thunderstorm rolled in, poured rain on us, scrambled, set up some tents and tarp, and had a fire going. Kind of rolled past us now, so we'll take a little break and finish setting up camp. Was it on the trail today, Robbie? How far did we come? Yeah, about 8 miles. Everybody did good. Everybody survived this big storm last night without getting too wet. Robbie, what happened to you?
I saw your picture at the booth, and there's a uniformed man here waiting for you. And you smashed your camera on the wall, the fear and alcohol, and I was willing to take the fall. But you won't see me float, and you know I'll be sinking in. to the air and you jumped in to the front page, singing you won't see me through the end. No, I'll be sinking. You won't catch me running dry and catch me jumping.
I think that's the better he got his skin all hot, so the water feels so much colder.
She'll lie and steal and cheat and beg you from her knees, make you think she means it this time. She'll tear a hole in you, the one you can't repair. But I still love her, I don't really care. When we were young, oh, we did enough. When it got cold, ooh, we bundled up. I can't be told, I can't be done. It's better to feel pain than nothing at all. The opposite of love's indifference.
Made it.
Pay attention now. I'm standing on your porch screaming out, and I won't leave until you come downstairs. So keep your head up, keep your love, keep your head up. And I don't blame you, dear, for running like you did all these years. I would do the same best. And the highway signs say we're closed, but I don't read those things anymore. I never trusted mine, oh, when we were young, oh, when it got cold, ooh, we bundled up. I can't be told, I can't be done. Head up, head up,
I'll take you.
my love. Head up, my love. Keep your head up, love. Head up, love.
Leave no trace.
There goes part of our party, getting ready to head out. battery warning. Susan and I are gonna pick it out another night.
And the water's beautiful this morning.
Yeah, it is.
Nice.
Thanks, Rob.
Thanks, Dad.
See ya.
Thanks for all your preparation.
Thanks, Rich.
See you
Take
later.
your time.
See you guys.
Just the two old people left in camp now, baby. They're by herself. It's a beautiful day it's gonna be.
Be sure to get a picture of my
I'm ripped again. Tell a friend, call her up. There's no more. But I got a feeling about this one. Call her up, and tell her it's alright. We're getting funky tonight. From the mall to our hall, I look down but I don't see anybody but you, girl, and I like your smile. So what to do? Tell me true.
Dive in as soon as you
So
can.
I can make you stay a while. But I got a feeling about this one. Please don't go. Stay here up with me. I'll show you naturally.
You made it. We're out on the island.
Gotta have proof.
There's our camp back there. Good job.
Catch me diving.
I missed that. I'm gonna go check out the fireplace. He built this chimney fireplace out here on the island. We're gonna check out. The view from the island is our camp. Alright, just swam back from the island. There's Grandma swimming way out there.
Great out here.
Here comes Grandma coming in the shore.
Hope you avoid those sticks, honey.
I saw your picture at the booth, and there's a uniformed man here waiting for you. And you smashed your camera on the wall. The fear and alcohol, and I was willing to take the fall. But you won't
Here we are. Last day, morning, all packed up, ready to hike out. 10 minutes after 8. And we're heading out.
You won't catch me running, trying, catch me jumping. Whoa.
Say goodbye to the lake.
A man with a badge he wears like a crown. The long arm came down.
Here we are, coming out, following the Blaze Trail. Coming out in the morning from Vogel Lake.
So they checked our bags for a stowaway, and by land and by sea you couldn't get away.
How was
So
the
you
trip,
took
Susan?
to the air and you jumped.
Who spent the night with us last night?
Last night, a beautiful pair of Sand Hill cranes circled the island and landed in Meg Island and spent the night with us. In the morning, when we were having our coffee, they took off from the shore and called again to let us know they were leaving. It was beautiful.
Very neat. We're coming down the trail to Cliff Lake. Beautiful morning. Coming down alongside the rock slide by Cliff Lake. Highway. Almost out to the PCT. Only took us 45 minutes to get out of there. Probably about an hour and a half when we were on the way in.
She'll tear a hole in you, the one you can't repair.
Well, starting up Six Lakes Trail, left the PCT. Saw a through hiker, snuck up behind Susan, hiking through. And anyway, it's about 8:45. So it was about an hour and a half to get to the Six Lakes Trail. Now we're headed uphill. Well, here we are, crest of the Cascades. It's 20 after 10. It took us 2 hours up here. Susan just powered up that hill. Doing awesome.
I'm standing on your porch screaming out, and I won't leave until you come downstairs. So keep your head up, keep your love, keep your head
Well,
up.
11:15. Been hiking 3 hours so far. Past the Sonoy Lake Trail, a ways back there. Coming down onto Blow Lake right now. And hopefully we're gonna beat this storm. Sounds like it's coming in. We've been hearing some big thunder rolls here, and the sky's darkening up. But we'll beat it out of here. Other than that, it's going good. Blow lake right there, so
The highway signs say
good
we're
time.
but I don't read those things anymore. I never trusted my own eyes. When we were young, when it got cold,
Well, the storm caught up to us after all. Had a pretty good little downpour on us. Thunder and lightning, but I think it's blowing, went right on over us and past us, so we're just gonna keep on moving.
head up, my love. Head up, my love.
We're on the last stretch now, and Rich is just heading down the trail. It's starting to rain again, but not hard.
Head up.
Well, here we are, out to the trailhead. It's 12:40. Got out of there in 4 hours and 25 minutes. It's a wonderful trip. After a trip into the wilderness like that, hard to believe we live in the material world. And Susan, great job, Susan.
Thank you.
4 hours and 25 minutes.
Wow, that was great.
She only took a 10-minute break, literally right at the crest, and just hiked the rest of the way.
Except for the time we stopped and talked to the other hikers for a minute.
Yeah. Great job, baby. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.